Right, can you say hello?
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to our day. So a little while ago I made a little model out of Fimo and I made a silicone mould around it. We wasn't 100%, this is a really different angle, I don't think we've ever been at this angle.
It's very strange, it feels strange to me.
We didn't know if it was going to 100% work or not. I just gave it a little bit of a go with like the leftover resin that I had 2 days ago because I didn't want it to get destroyed. Well, first of all, actually, I made this lid to go over pie. It was just like a trial thing.
But
So
it looks awesome.
I'm glad that I've managed to work that out. But the little mould, so I made like the silicone mould of it. We weren't sure because it thinned out on one of the edges and it started leaking out, and we had a bit of a panic, and then we managed to find a resolution, but we didn't know if it was a resolution until it came out. Well, I did run out of resin to finish its bum, but it's fine because it was only a tester. But I made a little...
Maybe to not be in the frame right now.
Oh, it should make a difference. Pregnant resin lady holding her bump. There's like one hand that go here, and then this hand would ordinarily go around here. There's like the end of it, but obviously, like I said, I ran out of resin, so I couldn't finish it. But
So cool.
it worked, so I'm happy about that. And I made some gems from one of the other leftover colours. I'll show them in a bit. But Jesus Christ, these are heavy. Custard. So they didn't have to be done right now, did they? Because you didn't know we were having crumble now.
We are having crumble.
Yep, they didn't know that.
They told me that the two heavy presents we need to open when we have crumble because of what it is, and they explained why.
So, Fernie, the dog that we used to look after before this COVID shit happened,
Doing this, and it's weird.
yeah, her family have been helping us so much since COVID happened.
They are such amazing friends.
Literally, they've been helping us with shopping. They've taken my sputum samples to the doctors even. Their son even had a go at the doctors for like mucking us around.
They took my bloody pee sample, which obviously is vile, but they took that because they knew that we needed help.
And
they're just lovely people.
And my sputum sample, like the son was just like, yeah, I'll do it. Like literally just didn't care. And we were like, that's so kind. And yeah, literally, if we said we needed help or something, they would do it as soon as they can, which is really lovely. Somehow they've managed to figure out that it's my 30th birthday this month, which we don't know how because we've never told them, and Facebook doesn't say it's birthdays yet, and it doesn't say your age, so because it just says happy birthday. So we're a little bit confused.
Yeah.
But yeah, they've done 2 of these presents. What's up?
I think there's a delivery then.
We're waiting for a delivery. 2 deliveries. Custard! This is so random that they wrapped it. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, basically, I'll do that now just in case they do come.
Custard!
But they knew that if it wasn't wrapped up as a present, you would send them money for it.
I can still send them money.
I know, but how sweet is that? They know you can't pay for that because it's a present.
They never ask for money, but on one occasion they did like quite a reasonably bigger shop for us. So I said, look, just send me your bank details and I'll send you the money, and they're fine with it. Well, I kind of kept those bank details for a reason,
Yeah.
so that every time that they do these little shops for us, I send them money.
Yeah,
because
we're like, you bought something for £1 for us? Have £5 as a thank you.
yeah,
Kind of thing.
they
Like,
they
we
refuse.
like to round it up a little.
They refuse to take our card and use contactless. They refuse to accept us giving them cash. So I send them money all the time now, and I always round it up as well, just as a thank you, because obviously it's fuel, and they're risking themselves for us. And Mandy, bless her, she's not long survived cancer.
Yeah.
Andrew isn't in the best of health. He's got a poorly heart and God knows what else. And it's just, they've cooked us meals, everything, and they don't have to.
No.
And
I mean, with Mandy, she
her mental health struggling.
Yeah, she's keeping just about sane by cooking and like baking and everything, and she's just like, we know that you guys appreciate it and we're friends, so I do it to help myself and it also helps you out.
Yeah.
And you're just like, not gonna complain at that.
Yeah, I mean, so at the moment there's not really a lot we can do other than say thank you, and apart from sending the odd bit of money.
Yeah.
We have turned and said that once all this shit is over, that we are gonna try and arrange something nice for them.
Yeah.
But it's just whenever this crap's gonna be over, really.
Who knows?
Yeah.
Especially with this new strain again.
It's not brilliant. And the fact that it is now proven that it's affecting dogs and cats, which we said from word go.
Yeah.
People thought we were stupid. Then they were saying, well, why, like, you should be taking your dogs out still, they can't catch it, and...
Which I still find funny, because, like, one of the first, I'm going to say people just because I can't think of the word, but one of the first people to get it in the UK, I swear, was a dog. Was it not? Or was that in a different country? But
I don't
either
remember.
way, a dog, like really early on,
Motion
has
detected
caught
at the
it.
front door.
was diagnosed with it.
And they're looking at pets potentially needing to get given a vaccine as well.
Yeah.
Someone's coming to the door, I think. If not, then you moved really weird.
Did I?
Don't know, I just saw something in the window. So yeah, obviously that's another reason why we've not been out about the girls, because we just can't risk them either.
No.
So they've been a really big help for us.
Yeah. I was just going to say that, like, we had this idea of maybe driving somewhere in the car, like parking up near a beach or somewhere with a nice view and just sitting there for a couple of hours, just
Motion
reading
detected
in
at
the
the front
car.
door.
But
Even
we
that
can't
gave us
even do
anxiety.
that, yeah.
Like, we wouldn't even be leaving the car, and yet that scared the crap out of us.
Especially, like, in lockdown, because you're not supposed to be going out. So,
Well, we can for an hour.
well, yeah, but going out and sitting there, like, driving somewhere to sit there for an hour just doesn't seem right, does it?
No. No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
So,
That's true.
I'm gonna have a drink. Sophie's gonna get this custard sorted. And can you put those syringes out to be cleaned?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's kind of it for now.
Yeah.
But we'll let you know when our deliveries arrive.
Yeah.
Dixie's toy's going off, the bird one that makes a bird noise. But we can't find it anywhere. All four of us are like...
Oh, it's by my chair, so I don't know why. It's not that.
Have you still got Sims on?
Yeah, but anyway. No noise is coming out of the PlayStation or anything. I didn't know if maybe it was like supposed to be like this massive experience, but no noise is coming out. Can you still hear it?
Yeah. Is it coming from upstairs?
She didn't have any more that tweeted, did she?
No. We have a bird chirping in our house.
Back up.
Girls!
It might possibly be bird outside, maybe like a nesting bird or something. Trying to get his parents' attention.
Because we thought it was this one, because it makes the exact same noise. I'm so confused. We also were supposed to have the parcel delivered that we said about. And they've said they've delivered it and nobody's delivered it, so they've walked off with it. And we were so pissed. I'm so confused, I don't know what's going on.
What, with the bird?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Hey, look. Do you know what it is? Are you
No!
playing a trick?
No! I'm genuinely, I am...
I know what it is! It's Nova's seat!
It must have got clipped on. It's off. That was like 5 minutes of like... Or you might have done it when you came in with the bags then.
I don't know, because I thought that we were hearing it.
Oh, by the way, look under that cabinet.
Oh.
I knew there was a sputum samples pot there, and Sophie was like, I've looked, it's not there.
Look.
And it was exactly where I knew it was.
I did look.
Well, at least we found the source of the ticking noise.
Harry Potter! Oh, I'm still so annoyed at the parcel though.
If you know what that is in reference to, let us know in the comments. But yeah, we're a bit pissed with the thing. We've checked back on the camera. They were in front of the house and said, like, with their phone, like, possibly saying they've delivered it, but they didn't come up with no parcel. They just stood in front of our house, and we've got that camera footage. And we're just so pissed because it was a lot of money and we were so excited about receiving this. And
it was part a gift as well.
yeah, Soph's sister and her sister's wife like helped us get it, and now it's just nowhere to be seen. So we are really cheesed off. As the programme was changing over, sorry, I'm still eating too, it just occurred to me, and I said it out loud, I can't believe you stuck your head out the window thinking there was a bird out there calling for its mum.
It didn't get any quieter over there though! Oh my god, it was so funny! Oh. I think I just spat water everywhere. If you're talking about this boy, have a boy. My boy. Yeah, I'm gonna bring him to you.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm still eating.
Yeah.
What a nice eye you have.
I have a good eye. That was funny.
True story. They need to be tidied up and trimmed a little bit, but here are the little gems that I've made. How super cute. And I've got orange and pink being made currently. Whoop whoop.
So, oh sorry, this little monkey has just come bounding up the stairs, licking her lips, going wild. So, we're going to go downstairs and see what she's done. Yeah, she had a wet ear. So, let's see. Alexa, turn on downstairs.
Sorry, it's very
You turned it off. Right, so let's see. Can't see anything different over there. Everything seems normal there. Slipper's a bit further over, but it seems normal. All the mess is normal. So what's she done in here then? I literally can't see anything. Have you been eating? Is that what you've been excited about? Did you eat and then have a drink? How boring. I think she might have just literally eaten some of her biscuits and then needed a drink. And then, like, she had a drink and now she wanted to go to the garden. Huh. Well, that was really cute, but also kind of disappointing. At least she was good, from what I can tell. If she has done something bad, then she's done a very good job of it because there is no evidence. So, one of the bowls is empty, so I think she ate some food because they both had food in when I went upstairs, so I think that might have been what it was. Bless her. Well, she just made me get some exercise I wasn't planning on getting, so well done, Elba.
Look at my nice cheeks.
Well, we don't need to comment on that, do we?
No. So it is the first. So I thought I would show what my journal kind of looks like after 1 month. We'll get Soph to show you the calendar in a bit. It's not been the best for food, but it's also not been bad for January. I think that we've not been too bad.
Considering the circumstances, I can always show you guys mine as well.
I think I can only see 12 bad days. I know that sounds like a lot, but when there's 31 days in the month, like, we could have had 3/4 of the month is really bad, and we've not, so I'm quite impressed with that. But here is my temperatures. Literally, I've had 5 temperatures that are kind of like grumbling, and then the rest is classified for me as like a high temperature. So that's fun. And then there is the mood chart. Look how pretty and colourful it is. But there has been no really bad days, which is a bonus. And there has been a couple of really good days, which makes me happy.
Those guys are great.
Obviously, I've been writing in each day again, and I've been putting a little quote at the end of each month. Nope, each week. So there's this one: waking up isn't too bad when/if you get a good night's sleep. I'm not quite sure what it is I was intending to write on this one, but I've left it there because I clearly thought it was good.
Is that the
Although
one falling asleep?
I think so. But I also clearly was like consciously not sure if it was good because I wrote it in pencil. So yeah, we'll just swiftly move past that one. This one is journaling. Free your mind from worries to make room for happy memories. And then this is you are worth searching for. And obviously now is this week's. But I'm hoping to get a new quote at the end of each, or at some point during that week whenever one comes to me. So yay! Over to Soph.
So this is my mood tracker for January. This is how I was like feeling for the month, and then that's like my month generally. I was sort of like halfway between average and there really. This is my sleep tracker. So yep, bit all over the place really. Food tracker. Initially I just did these for the individual days, but then I decided that I couldn't really work out how it was going. So I did the pie chart in the middle once I was finished. That's the key. So on the one on our door, these two colours are both orange. So for half of the month we ate okay-ish, and then the other half was split between not so okay-ish and really good. And here's my water tracker. Doom. Was that it? Oh, nope. I've got a 12-hour mood tracker. I've got one of these for every month in this book, so I'm going to try and do it on the 13th of every month just to sort of see how that goes. So there's that one. My New Year playlist. And then we move on to February, which has got this instead of a water tracker and that instead of a playlist. Cool. And here is our food diary thing of the month, like of the year, but for this month. Charlie.
Our yearly calendar
Of
diary
yes, of how well we're eating.
of the month of January.
Yes. See, that's just exactly what I said. On camera, it's harder to see the difference between the orange and the red.
I can see it.
Okay, what, on the camera?
Yeah.
How can you even see the camera at your angle? Okay.
I don't know
Yay!
how to explain that.
No. Yay!
But, yeah, you can kind of see that it's not all that bad.
I mean, it would be better with more greens, but hopefully as we go through the year, we'll get more green.
And even if it's the case that we work on whether we get one more green this month and one less red this month, and then the month after again, and doing like dropping in.
Yeah, and we do it slowly.
That's still better than the previous month then.
Yeah, because what we don't want to do is we don't want to do it all in one go and just have like a whole month of just green eating, because we will not sustain it.
No.
No. But yay!